Hello guys, this is Rohan and in this video I will show you how to split first and last names in Google Sheet. Here you can see I have a list of names. Now I need to separate the first and last names of these names. So I am going to use split text to column feature, which is available in Google Sheet under the data tab. So first of all, I will select the names. I will select this list. Then I will go to the data tab. I will click on split text to column. Here you can see a separator uh, dialog box is there, and here you can see multiple options. A comma, semicolon, period, space, and custom is also there. In my case, I will select space because you can see in these names between first and last name there is a space. So I will go with the space. Here you can see the first and last name get splitted. Now I'm going to show you different example. Maybe in your case, instead of this space you will see some different elements, dash, comma, anything. So here is another example. Here you can see instead of a space there is a dash between first and the last name. So in that case, what I will do again, I will select the list of names, will click on split text to column. This dialog box will appear. I will go to custom and then I will put down the dash. That's it. Nothing else I need to do. So this is very easy to split the names or anything in Google Sheet. I hope it solved your problem, and subscribe to my channel if you want to see more Google Sheet related videos.